Hi, welcome to Issuu. Today you're going to learn how to make sure your Issuu publications are correctly formatted as double-page flipbooks. A common mistake when uploading to Issuu is selecting a document that is formatted as a double-page spread before uploading. This can result in an Issuu publication that is formatted as a 4-page flipbook, which can be confusing for your audience and often appears visually cluttered. Luckily, the change is quite simple. First, return to your original document and edit the settings so that it exports as a series of single pages. If you are using Adobe Indesign, download the Issuu extension directly from Issuu's website, and when exporting, select Issuu to make sure your document is properly formatted and optimized for upload. Then return to Issuu and navigate to the publication you want to replace. Click on the Replace with Another File icon and then upload your newly edited single-page spread. When uploading, Issuu will transform this single-page spread into a double-page flipbook. And don't worry, your publication URL and statistics will not be affected. You are now ready to make sure all your Issuu publications are properly formatted for an optimal reading experience.